In a world where precision drives progress, Nagindas Hiralal Bhayani stands as a global partner in health and innovation, creating active pharmaceutical ingredients that define trust and quality. From life-saving formulas to everyday healthcare, our expertise spans a powerful portfolio. Povidone iodine, potassium iodate, potassium iodide, sodium iodide, calcium iodate, iodic acid, EDDI, copper iodate, methyl iodide, ethyl iodide, iodophores, and hydroiodic acid. At the heart of this range is our flagship Povidone iodine, produced to IP, BP, EP, and USP standards for markets across the world. Every molecule is crafted inside dedicated, segregated manufacturing plants, operating under strict CGMP conditions. A fully automated facility with an advanced quality system ensures real-time process control, flawless data integrity, and unmatched professional efficiency. Our environment is meticulously maintained. Temperatures below 27 degrees Celsius and humidity under 45% with advanced dehumidifiers and AHUs. Production is powered by state-of-the-art equipment, SSR, GLR, ANFD, VTD, blenders, multi-mills and sifters, USP-grade pharma purified system, steam boilers, hot water networks, cooling towers, chilling water systems, dry air compressors, nitrogen blanketing for ultimate product protection, separate storage for raw materials, packing materials, temperature-controlled finished goods storage, fully automated powder packing machine, safeguard purity and precision at every step. Our commitment is validated by US FDA DMF, EDQM CEP, and comprehensive stress stability documentation ensuring global regulatory readiness. At NHB, excellence is not a claim, it's a culture. With one of the industry's most advanced and self-contained facilities, we provide a rare advantage. End-to-end manufacturing excellence that meets the most demanding global standards. This is freshly made facility with latest GMP guidelines. Bhayani Group, your trusted partner in disinfectants and iodide derivatives.